Have you ever thought about making learning fun? No, it's not about skipping those boring lectures on online meeting platforms. It's about a change of places, time, phases, and much more. It is about the metaverse and how even a subject like chemistry can be learned in a better, interactive, and immersive manner. In older times, during the early stages of humans recognizing it as a subject, experts and scholars noted down everything for the next generation to study and take the knowledge forward. Then came the internet, and everything that existed on books was available to everyone without any additional cost besides internet cost. Evolution is the most prominent trait of a technology, and internet evolved and replaced traditional classrooms with smart classes that use presentations and documents for learning. It also encapsulates audio and video learning with 2D videos demonstrating complex chemical reactions with animations and voiceovers. Then came Web 3.0, and it demolished every limitation that existed. It brought products like Metaverse with the potential to develop a virtual 3D space that can replicate reactions happening in theoretical concepts. It eliminates the requirement of theoretical lectures, and students can see changes happening inside the ecosystem as a part of experience learning. Metaverse Blockchain Solutions is the global leader in metaverse development, and we believe that our 3D virtual learning space has the potential to help you spread education with innovative solutions like a metaverse.